Lapit ka lang naman dito eh!
George! Ako bumili niyan.
Na! Niregalo mo sa akin. So, technically, akin to.
Men have forced women to be complicated. Because we have to think for you men too. While cooking, cleaning, washing your clothes for you, just so you and your simple brains can function. You cannot survive without us.
We think more objectively. We see the bigger picture while you obsess with small details like food, hygiene, and laundry, which we never told you to do.
But you expect us to do anyway.
You women expect it of yourselves more than we expect it of you. You are just as responsible for upholding those gender expectations you hate. Brain slam, brain rot, hello.
Go away.
No. Never. Akin na.
Medyo late ka.
Napaaga lang yung ulan.
Eto.
Seryoso ka dyan, Joe? Pan-talk show yan eh. Joe, ito na.
Pero?
It's finally done.
Bakit wala ako?
Bakit, Joe? Ikaw naman gawa. Oh. Like,
You have crossed the line this time.
wala namang mga lines. Ano to?
Di ba ito yung hinahanap mo? Lines! Labas!
Bakit? 50-50, di ba? Oh, 50 sa akin, 50 sa'yo dito.
Eh, yung ref, akin na lang ba yung baba? Sa'yo yung freezer?
Ah, okay.
Ha? Akin yan. Freezer ang sa'yo.
Paano naman ako iinom dito?
Eh, umuo ka eh. Oh? My schedule. Tingin ko more.
May pakiusap sana ako eh. Baka naman pwedeng wala nang schedule yung banyo. Medyo malamig maligo dito eh.
No.
Office mate ako ni George.
Ah, okay.
Hi.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Gwapa naman pala yung peste.
So ano, George? Peste na? Ah, pwede na? Kaya ang dami nagbabike dito, no? Bakit? Eh, bike it naman hindi. George, ano ang paboritong instrumento ng mga taga-Amsterdam?
Ano?
Eh di, Amster drums. Ano ang national pet ng Amsterdam?
I guess lion? In the royal coat of arms.
George, hindi. Eh di, Amsterdam. Ano ang paboritong kainin ng mga taga-Amsterdam?
Ano?
Eh di, Amsterdam and cheese. I may not have found the reason to stay, but I found the reason to come back. Ito naman si Mrs. Abalier. Kontrabida din eh.